Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making herb chicken and mac and cheese in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have some broccoli I cut up and washed. This is fresh broccoli. And I'm going to season it with some of my Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. I have it on a piece of foil. We're going to make a foil pouch to cook in with the chicken and the mac and cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and season that up. And I'm going to put some butter in here because who doesn't love butter on broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and we're going to set this aside just for now. Okay, in my Ninja Speedi I have 2 cups available macaroni and 6 cups of water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to that. And I'm going to add in some butter. That's going to keep this from, when the starch comes out of the pasta, keep it from foaming up in there. I'm going to put in about 3 teaspoons of butter, and that'll also help season or flavor the macaroni. Guys, I forgot to put my foil pouch in, so I had to take the chicken up out, and I'm just going to sit that right down on top of the foil pouch. And if you have to, smush it down a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to spray my chicken down with a little bit of olive oil. It's going to help it crisp up, stay moist, and help that seasoning to stick. And we're going to use that McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic on the chicken like we use in the broccoli. And I'm just going to season this up good because we want our chicken to be flavorful. Alright, I'm going to close my lid down. Now we're set on air fryer. We want to go up to rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn this on. We're already at Speedi meals 390. That's the temperature we want to be at. I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. Now what this will do is it'll heat up, it'll steam for the first 10 minutes, and in the last 5 minutes it'll air fry the chicken and get it nice and crispy. Alright, my 15 minutes is up. You can see my chicken's nice and golden brown and crispy. Now what happened is that foil pouch must have knocked this off of the little ledge there, and this one raised up a little and got a little darker, but it's still going to be good. I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken and the broccoli out, and then we'll move on to the mac and cheese. Alright, I took everything out and I stirred the pasta. There's a little tiny bit of water in there, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to start by adding some pepper into the elbow macaroni because we like pepper in our mac and cheese. And I'm going to start by adding some cheese in. I have a couple packs here I have to use up. This is just shredded sharp cheddar. You can use any kind of cheese you like. And guys, it's a real easy way to make your mac and cheese. You don't have to mess around with a cheese sauce or none of that business. And I'm just going to stir in the cheese. I'll add more cheese in. And when you're making mac and cheese, you can't have too much cheese. So don't be afraid if you put a little extra in. And you just want to stir your cheese around and melt it in there. Finish this bag off. I don't know if I'm going to need my next bag. That isn't opened yet. I think we're going to be good on cheese. Now I'm going to add a shot of milk in here just to make this creamy. I mean, it's already nice and moist from that water that was in there, but a shot of milk will make it that much more better. We're looking good, guys. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. I'm going to start out with the chicken. Chicken's moist, well seasoned. It's really delicious. Some of this mac and cheese. It's creamy, cheesy, it's really good. Let's move on to the broccoli. Tender, buttery. Guys, that's really delicious. It was all in one meal. 25 minutes maybe for it to cook. Really delicious. Herb chicken and mac and cheese in a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.